Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about assignment number 3. The concept is accessory excretory organs. Let us see the first question. What are the different organs of excretion? So, the accessory excretory organs are lungs, skin, liver and large intestine. Actually, these organs have their own specific function. Along with their function, the additional function of these organs are nothing but excretion. So, that's why these organs are called as accessory excretory organs. Let us see the next question. How skin helps in excretion? See, the answer: skin eliminates the waste in the form of sweat which contains water and salts. Along with that, sebaceous glands in skin eliminates the sebum which contains wax, sterols, hydrocarbons and fatty acids. So, the skin contains the sweat glands and sebaceous glands. So, these sweat glands and sebaceous glands, they eliminates the excess amount of sweat and sebum. Let us see the third question. How liver helps in excretion? So, we know the liver is the largest gland in our body. So, this liver, it secretes the bilirubin, biliverdin, drugs, and which are the substance contains the bile. So, these bile pigments are produced by the breakdown of hemoglobin and the red blood cells in the liver. So, this liver also helps in conversion of ammonia into less toxic urea. So, the liver, it's mainly the largest gland in our body. It secreted bilirubin and biliverdin. So, these are formed by the breakdown of hemoglobin, red blood cells in the liver. So, this liver is also mainly responsible for conversion of ammonia into less toxic urea. Let us see the fourth question. How large intestine helps in excretion? So, we know large intestine, it's a last part of the alimentary canal. So, large intestine also involves as a accessory excretory organ. So, this large intestine, it eliminates the solid waste, so that remain present after the digestion. So, along with that, the excretion of water from indigestible matter in the food waste. So, the fecal matter which is excreted, so because of the large intestine. So, that is why large intestine is also act as one of accessory excretory organs. Let us see the next question. How lungs helps in excretion? So, we know lungs are mainly responsible for gases exchange. Then along with that, this is also act as one type of accessory excretory organs. So, how is it? Means the lungs are responsible for the excretion of gases waste from our body. So, we know what is the main gases excreted from our body is nothing but CO2. So, because of the lungs, the CO2 gas is excreting out. Thank you.